Hi friends, this video shows how to restart this OnePlus mobile phone. By default, if you press and hold this power button, it opens Google Assistant. Here you can see Gemini chat box. If you want to restart this mobile phone, you have to press volume up and power button together. So let me press volume up and power button together. Now we can see power menu. From here we can restart or power off. If you want to restart, you have to move this white circle here on this restart section. If you want to power off, you have to move this white circle down to power off. So this way we can power off or restart. So next I will show you how we can change this button mapping. Go to settings, tap on the settings app icon, go down, then tap on accessibility and convenience, go down, tap on power button, select press and hold power button. Here you can see two options. By default it has selected digital assistant. That is the reason it has opened Google Assistant when I pressed power button. We can change that. We can change that to power menu. Done. After this, if you press and hold this power button, it will open power menu. Let me test. Close this. I am going to press and hold this power button. See, this time it has opened power menu. From here I can restart. Just move this white circle top to this restart section. That's all. So this way we can restart this OnePlus phone. Please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.